Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about example of rank correlation. So the ranks of same 16 students in biostatistics and research methodology exams marks given in ranks. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient for proficiency of this group in biostatistics and research methodology. So biostatistics, same 16 students appear in both examination, biostats and research methodology, and each student's ranks of in each subject is given, like first students obtain first rank in biostatistics and first rank in research methodology. Like second students obtained second rank in biostatistics and 10th rank in research methodology. Like that, students number 16 obtained 16 ranks in biostatistics and 13 ranks in research methodology. So this is the questions is given. Now we have to obtain the solution. How we'll get the answer? So for solution, same, this is first table, this rank is given already in question, and rank Y for research methodology is given already in questions. Now we'll obtain the D because it is required for calculation, which is required in a formula. So D means difference between rank X minus rank Y. So this value minus this will obtain 0, like 2 minus 10 obtain minus 8, and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Like that, 16 minus 13 equal to 3. So each corresponding ranks will subtract. Now we'll do the d square, difference is squares. So each difference value will do the square and we'll add summation d square. So it would be 136. Now we'll use this formula, as in we know the Spearman rank correlation formula, rho equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square divided by n square minus 1. N means sample size, total number of respondents. So we'll put all the values in the equation. 1 minus 6 and summation di square is equal to 136 and divided by 16 multiply 255 is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 5 and 4 by 5 equal to 0.8. So this is the correlations of biostatistics and research methodology, means there is the strong correlations between rank of biostatistics and research methodology. Now we have another questions. We have another questions, another example. The ranks of 5 patients which are suffering from diabetes and hypertension are given in this table. So calculate the Spearman correlation coefficient. So diabetes, first patient's first rank, in hypertension third rank, fourth rank, second rank, first rank, second, fourth, like that. So this is the 5 patients rank is given in uh, for diabetes and hypertension. Now we have to obtain the solution. So for solution, we have to again find out the difference for each observation like this, and we'll do the d square 49. So sum is d square equal to 14. So again, as we know the formula, Spearman rank correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square divided by n within a bracket n square minus 1. So we'll put the value here, 1 minus this 6 multiply 6 multiply by 14. This is summation di square, and then 5 n square 5 square 5 is 25 minus 1, and we'll calculate it. Then we'll get the value like this, 1 minus 84 divided by 120. Then again we'll calculate, we'll get the value 1 minus 7 by 10. Then again we'll calculate and we'll get the value 10 minus 7 by 10. Then again calculate, we'll get the value 3 by 10. and again we'll calculate. It would be the row rank correlation. Spearman rank correlation value is 0.3. So interpretation would be the value of rho is 0.3. There is a low positive correlation between the two ranks. This is the answer we need to understand. It's a very simple. If we have a clarity of the steps, we are aware about the formula, we can calculate. One important tables we need to understand as a rule of thumb. We are calculating the data, and if we are getting the value between 0.90 to 10 or minus 0.90 to minus 10, see it is known as very high positive correlation or very high negative correlation. Same if we are getting plus minus 0.7 to 0.9, so we can say high positive correlation or high negative correlation. Again, if we are getting the value plus minus 0.50 to 0.7, we can say moderate positive correlation or moderate negative correlation. Same if we are getting the value plus minus 0.30 to 0.50, so we can say it is the low positive, negative, or low negative correlations. And if we are getting value 0 to plus minus 0 to 0.3002, 0.30 or 0 to minus 0.30, so it's a negligible. We know there is the no correlation. So this is the basic and simple example of the correlation, Spearman correlation coefficients we need to understand. Thank you everyone.